I used to take, he's a little claim to fame, I used to take him pies Now this is a very strange thing to do, but you got to take an apple for the teacher. So B.B. used to love sweet potato pies and pecan pies and pumpkin pies. And we would stop in a soul food restaurant in Santa Ana. We were recording up in Los Angeles, and we'd show up at the door and we'd have like pies, man. That, you know, jacket came off, waistcoat got unbuttoned, and just a big wide grin, and he would get into them pies, you know. And so that was something you could do for the man, you know, because he did so much for us, you know. And it was so nice to see him enjoy that stuff. So there you go. That's my little pie story about me.